What are some examples of women not understanding a man's body? 1. Why are you hard? Like I don't even know bra. 2. My friend, who at the time was 28 years old, thought that men tuck their junk in between their butt cheeks while walking around. 3. Growers versus showers. 4. It's kind of fun for us women, because at first it's like, oh, okay, but then it's like, oh, okay. Shocked the shit out of me the first time I was with my husband. It's like he is sport mode. 5. I mean, I thought willies were hairy all the way down like a caterpillar for an embarrassingly long time. 6. Was watching Ted Lasso with my wife and they made a reference to the danger of wearing khakis after peeing, and she had absolutely no idea what they were talking about. 7. Lived with a girlfriend. The first time she saw me pee she was confused. But, it's not hard? What are you talking about? Doesn't it have to be hard for you to pee? 8. It does have to be hard for you to pee the fun